In this video, we're going to see how to create a box and whisker chart inside of Google Sheets. Essentially, you're going to have your attempts or your data here. I'm just going to fill in some random numbers. We're going to use some formulas to fill out these top areas, and then we'll be able to create a chart off of the data from the formulas that we created here. So we're just going to enter in a couple of random numbers. Doesn't really matter what they are. And we have our data generated. After that, we're going to sort it. So I'm just going to highlight it. You can do that by two ways. You can click, hold, and drag and bring it down, or click on the first one, hold your shift key, and bring it down to the bottom. From there, you're going to right click, go to sort range, and choose A to Z. That will also go from highest to lowest, and hit sort. Your numbers automatically will change, but it just changes that column. It doesn't change anything else. After that, we can see what the high and the lows are, and we're going to go through and figure out the rest of this. The first thing we need to do is figure out the minimum. Now this is easy. If we sort it, we can just type it in. But if we want to use formulas in case the data changes, we can type an equal sign and type in MIN for min. We'll click on that little pop-up, and then we'll click, hold, and drag, or again, click on the first one, hold shift, and click on the last one, end the parenthesis, and hit enter. And it will generate that for us. After that, we're going to do our quartiles, which are set up for box plots. So I'm going to type in equals, and then type in quartile. It may pop up right after you hit Q. Go in again, click on your data, but instead of ending the parenthesis, you're going to put a comma and the number 1 for the first quartile. End your parenthesis and hit enter. And we have our first quartile number of 4.25. Median is very simply, we're going to type in equals median. And again, we're just highlighting our data and hitting enter. Quartile 3 is the exact same as quartile 1, except the only difference here, instead of a 1, we're going to type in a 3. So Q, click on quartile, highlight our information, hit comma, and now we're typing in a number 3 and ending our parenthesis. Enter, and then we're going to do finally our max. So equals max, and we'll highlight those numbers and hit enter. So now we have all of our data generated. We didn't really have to do very much work to get these numbers or lay them out like you normally would with a box plot. And now we're going to generate a chart from this. So what you want to do is grab your data set and highlight all of the things next to it that we just did. So I have my data set 2 through 15 selected. Again, click, hold, and drag, or select shift. From there, I'm going to go to insert and click on chart. I'll get a bar chart here, and that's not what I want for this. So I'm going to go to chart type and click on the drop down. And from there, I want to change it to a candlestick chart. Click on that, and now I've just generated my information. I can drag it over so it's a little bit more centered up with the rest of everything, but I can see my maximum, my minimum, and my 2 quartiles sitting inside of there. Hopefully that helps.